Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video I'll guide you through how to fix the fingerprint lock not working issue on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore secure unlocking. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.